kids, welcome back to Kiddzera. Today we're going to draw a frog. First, let's draw a shape like an avocado. Then let's draw two shapes like number 2. Then let's complete those legs like this. Now let's draw its eyes. 2 small circles. Now let's draw 3 curvy lines on its back. Now it's time to draw our cute frog's hands. Let's draw some small circles on its skin. Wow, it looks so cute now. See, it's jumping kids. Now it's time to color our cute frog. Let's begin with its body. Let's color its body in light green. And its legs in dark green. Let's color those tiny circles on its legs in brown color. Finally, let's color the eyes in yellow. Wow, we have a beautiful frog now. Let's meet another day with another beautiful drawing. See you soon. Like, share and subscribe us.